Oh, so Samala, good morning. So today what we are going to discuss and I'm going to teach the chapter called the diversity and discrimination. So first, previous chapter, what we discussed and what we learned from previous chapter. Previous chapter we've already discussed about diversity, right? Understanding diversity. Okay, now today we are going to study about diversity and discrimination. Okay, second, next. Now this the diversity and discrimination content. You can see here 6 contents from this chapter. Difference and prejudice. Then prejudice. Third, stereotype. 4, creating stereotype. 5th, on being discriminated against. 6, striving for equality. So first, you might be familiar with this diversity, right? We already discussed about previous chapter. So this diversity and discrimination. What are difference between diversity and discrimination? So this is the chapter we are going to deal and I'm going to teach. From this chapter, there are 6 contents. So here are the difference and prejudice. So all these contents are very important. It's already written in your textbook. So I've already given you notes. So here first, I would like to translate in Tibetan language for better understanding. Diversity and discrimination. The diversity level in around mandawa lagdra, chu mandawa, rikshu mandawa, ke mandawa, difference lagdra. Discrimination and nyapchu sheva lagdra. Tungjung yamani kesu nyapchu what's the dwa. Adine difference and prejudice lana. Difference lana yewa the diversity lo to prejudice lana dotawa. Mene re la the prejudice lana chik tungjung do chik kesu do la prejudice tungjung yamani kesu stereotype lana insult cheba tak johan men yo do stereotype miri nakpo ta miri kawo la miri nakpo johan men yo do sido yama slavery system yo ro thyo lam lu dagane stereotype lana oh miri di johan yo mare mi di johan yo mare la jo stereotype lana chik ke machine ni da ha mo ho ni da chik 고마 쳔이도 직세셔야죠. stereotype tun중루 능중루 당시 creating stereotype라네 지어라 creating stereotype라데 근데 차기유메 즉 보다 부모예어로요. 볼라데 physically strong 요. 부모라데 physically weak 라. 부모디 딕스 수슈요 마레 부모도 emotion 요리 부두즈 베 strong 요리 부두즈 모 마레 라죠라. 그런 stereotype 딱 수부 일단에 지어라 인데 지치도 마레 라 저체셔야죠. 어디 on being discriminated against. The discriminated the discriminated level discriminated based on the discriminated Mangshid Kawali was in a caste can lead to a caste system euro, Rick Zesto, Cotam Siri, Co Chikivi, and in Koran Chik Dizigri, Koran Rictor Lester, Drikam Pay Dish the caste Javana Luta, Chang regular Dizigdo, regular Tungjung Chejo, Dick the Liavaji, discrimination Cheshajo, discriminate Lanagic. Mambidu da nangchuru ta shejo wo dilata aju kasla di maps ko lejo ansu dr bin real empirical dr b empirical lane korangi he is one of the Indian constitution father of Indian constitution che korangi kharchibsna caste system la di mitsama equality chanyum khile da caste di abolish che korangi 사팀나 디티니 계정부로 좀 미상마 미임베시고 상마 집어고래라 지금 그런 WB 미터가 되는 줄 Striving for equality striving 라는 데 지금 게 상물로로야 미임베시고 상물로로야 천용고래라 오케이 디디도 직체 근데 the difference and prejudice that the difference 라는 예와 prejudice 라 rigno 디나 니 가시 리무하시 싫어 types of authoring king gathering do that ya tamsha yo chugo penashasha no du samloge ani difference and prejudice tamazugi ta lole ten lo gengo chyo mare lo tangane shin phomo ge sexual orientation yo phomo ge diche tang religion kale ani di muslim da di hindu chyo kale ya wa che sto prejudice gender identity la phomo ga ya wa che ne skin da na puda kawo ni paro political affiliation and political and 첩시 그 톤에 오 그디 첩시 디 스트롱 사오 요 BJP 리샤 디 스트롱 요 말이 라이자 첩시 그 천다 그 톤에야 지금 예와 지셔야죠 온디지 디젤야 next to endra but here the difference and first content of this chapter you can see the difference and prejudice. First, the prejudice means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. We can be prejudiced about many things: people's religion, belief, color of the skins, the region they come from, accent they speak, in the clothes they wear, and more. prejudice mission judge judge negative positive judge negative see them inferior Quran juhan me juro tishejo pene cha sha bana jugi chu Quran ju pe nangchu ta ya da na shingi mirik ka bu da nakbu tone nangchu ta ya da na shingi ko lungba khane yore Quran gi inji ke ne karen ko accent khare pronunciation khare ki me odele ya nangchu ta ya da na shin tulo khondang tone tulo jangmo do mo tulo kyo chimo choso do ko me ya adi kyo re she pang re she tulo tone nangchu ta ya 여러 둘로 쌍마도 지금 미카시 배샤 맨에 둘로 쌍마도 그러면이야 안 리스펙트 해야 돼 미카시 교라다 교인데 둘로 그냥 둘로 때니야 이와지에서 비주라이스 해줘 어디인데 your experience 데 여러 봐 오케이 디제 second they are the 8 major religions in the world every single of them is the practice in India and it has more than 1600 language that are the people's mother tongue and they are the more than 100 dance from. 당아주 야간 너로 펜션도 야간 너로 점링 너로 치슈라다 추조 메저라나 추기다 인도도 추루 그 치슈 체가 알아 추루 체가 게디 점링 너 추루 체가 게디 정말 거와내서는 야간나 여러 봐 상물로 거와내 practice 치고서 야간 너로 practice 치고라 라린단 거 in India is such a secularism like that chode rangwa like that chu khare chene there's no any restriction without any restriction chulu khare chebe ne tena khare digoro wodin jagadi one of the secularism like jagadi secularism jik chagora hoje and especially 1600 jagan nalole ki ru chasne chiktung thugges wodin yoro ba dinde edu samba ande transform ani tabya yora tabya gyuze lora wodin de bet khura mongbushira yora jagan nalole so India is such a secular country secular chode rangme chisa weraba chode rangme chiwara wojin enki do chashne kya chikdung to guess yoris chulu chega gedi samma yagana yortas ani dance lora an thabya doga lora wodin de mongbushira yoris 100 lana galaxy yagana manda galaxy yoris wodi budu dushe